current APO officers, friends, my fervent salutation. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to my predecessors who trusted me and within this noteworthy position. My gratitude to my APO brothers and sisters, to all the people who supported me and believed in my capability to handle such a distinguished official status. My warmest appreciation. Let me start my inaugural address with this quotation from K.B. Martenson. By practicing brotherhood, we set a good example for those around us, and in return, we feel a sense of self-fulfillment for having aided a fellow human being. We all know that Alpha Phi Omega, as an organization, has lived with the guiding principles of leadership, friendship, and service to humankind. As an organization, we grow bigger and bigger in our commitment to lending a helping hand to our brothers in need. We learn to bring each other up, and this is seen in our attitude and outlook that impact our organization. As the newly inaugurated president of this distinguished organization, it is my responsibility to uphold the values and principles of Alpha Phi Omega. Our past accomplishments showed favorable outcomes because it lies on how well the organization conditions respect. I may not surpass the previous achievement of our past presidents, but I give my all to at least be at par to what they have done for the entire association. It has also stayed committed to our objective, that is to provide community services to our less fortunate brothers. It has instilled patience, determination, cooperation, and the will to extend our helping hand to achieve our goals. Let us work hand in hand to come up with the APO's goal, to strengthen brotherhood and to provide a more established service to our community. Let us all remember that we are inside a support system. There might be obstacles that may come our way, but through our strengthened brotherhood and camaraderie, any obstacle can easily be appeased. In brotherhood, we adopt values that inspire us and console in our actions. Magandang gabi, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang APO, mabuhay ako, pasalamat.